Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you another kind of subroutine you can add to your project, which is a function. So let's start by right-clicking the subroutines folder, then go into Add Object and select POU. I'll call this function fun, underline, direct startup. Make sure you select the function option and configure its return type. And finally, select your preferred language. Then click Add, and there we go. Now, the big difference between a function and a function block is that the function is not retentive, so it's not capable of holding information. And as you can see, there is no var output area right here, so you cannot add multiple outputs. So basically, the function is a more quick way to implement a quick logic to your project. And to demonstrate it, I'll create a simple logic right here, add a context and a coil, add a input variable, and assign to the contact. Now, for functions, the return type, we have to use the function's name in the onCoil. That's how we return the value. So let's copy this name and paste it to the coil. There we go. Now, each time I enable the input, the function will return this value right here. Now let's go back to user PRG, create a new network, then go to Toolbox under POUs, then click and drag our function. I'll keep it enabled, then I'll create a new variable, button2, and also create a variable to receive the return value, so motor2. There we go. Now let's test it. Now I'll split the screen to make it easier to see the interaction. Press Ctrl F7 to write. And as you can see, the function returned the true value in its output, but if you look inside the function string, there's no interaction, and that is because the function is non-retentive, so it does not hold any information. Functions are just for quick use in your project. And function blocks is a more complex logic, you can say. And that's how you use functions in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.